Myself, Dr. Priyadarshi Nayak, the chairman of Center for Education Development Foundation. We are here today at Mumbai for an education conclave, specifically planned for school leaders on sustainable development goals, which is being implemented in the school. We school leaders have discussed various implementation strategies today so that school leaders across India, those who have assembled today here, can implement those things in the classrooms or in the schools. We had today the leaders from Goa, from different parts of the country today here, where almost 100 schools were honored as SDG School Award, as they have practiced minimum 10 SDGs in their respective schools. I feel this is a different conclave because we have taken up on the theme SDG, which has been incorporated in National Education Policy. And the policy says that we need to be different as far as the teaching and learning strategies are concerned. So the entire community is waiting for a change, and the change has been taken up. And the school leaders have brought up immense changes, and those school leaders are honored today in this conference.
So, what is your takeaway for the event, sir?
Well, the takeaways for every school leaders is something we discussed on early childhood care education. And the takeaways is that how effectively the national curriculum framework and the national education policy will be implemented in the school. Those strategies are discussed, and that is this takeaway where we can implement those things in the school as well as in the classroom.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time. You find this event.
First of all, I must congratulate CED for organizing such an amazing conclave. Generally, there are a lot of conclaves organized. They're all general topics. But today's session is something special. It is on SDGs, which is part of a core curriculum which is integrated. And it is high time for all of us to understand the importance of SDGs, which need to be integrated in our day-to-day life and into our curriculum.
So, how did you find different from other conclaves?
Other conclaves is I found more of branding. I can't say it is branding, but here I found something more with the curriculum, which one need to understand the importance because SDGs is not just to be put in the textbooks; it need to be lived.
What is your takeaway from this event, sir?
The experience of all the experts. I think that is the greatest take home today.
And I think we don't need any introduction for you, sir, at least. But for some media bites, we need your introduction, as we can put it on the portal.
I am head of school of Finland International School and director of Goenka Global Education.
Thank you for giving us the bite, sir.
Most welcome.
You answer in English only.
Yeah, okay.
So, how did you find this event, the SDG event?
I was informed by one of my principals, Shailesh Singh ji from Thakur Vidyaman in Kandivali. I loved the event. Initially, I was very hesitant because everyone is so experienced here, but the amount of knowledge, be it Nayak sir, be it Swati ma'am, be it Pandit ji, everyone was amazing. I'm definitely going to make a lot of changes in my schools and my educational institutes. I'm really grateful for this.
How did you find it different from other?
I'll tell you how I found it different. So usually when I attend such seminars, it's all motivation. It's beautiful. Everything is wonderful. Motivation. I always feel I'm so glad I'm a teacher. But today I knew what to do. What is the plan of action? How to implement it? What are my resources? Whom can I take help from? So the beauty about this is it did inspire me, but it gave me an SOP. It gave me a standard operating procedure. It gave me resources. It gave me a community that believes in the same ethos and values. So that's how this is very different from the ones I've attended previously.
And what is the future prospect you will be giving to the schools who are collaborating with this event?
I would say to not think about it, just join it. The changes that your students and parents will feel, forget the students and the parents, the country is going to love you because the ideas that these people are going to engender and inspire in us, it's going to change our country. I'm hoping after this, the ING changes to developed. Then we are no more developing because the ideas that they are giving is going to make us develop. Do not think about it, just go for it. You need to experience it at least once.
Thank you so much
Yes.
for your wise words.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm Girish Dalvi, Trustee and Chief Administrative Open Forum for Principal, and Trustee and Director Operations of Nityanjali Group. I'm indeed honored to be a part of this conclave and very happy for Madam Ushavati Shetty and Dr. Naik sir for bringing us together for this event. What differentiates this program is primarily the kind of discussion that we had, the kind of exchange that we have, and a thought-provoking, way forward that we all planned for, especially based on STDs. And I think it's time that we start thinking about it and start working over it. So thank you so much for the opportunity. I look forward to many more such exchange. Thank you.
This is Dr. Ushavati Shetty, founder C4 Synergy, passionate educator for the last 25 years. So I call myself a teacher by heart.
How was the event inculcated, ma'am? How the thought process came to your mind for this event?
See, we do see a lot of conclaves and conferences, especially so when mostly now post COVID. We have seen a surge in the conclaves and conferences. Earlier, it used to be once in a while, but now we see that every other Saturday we get some invitation for some or the other conclave. But somewhere I felt that there was a need of real ground level work and real NEP implementation as well as SDG goals, which we are now really talking about. But we wanted to also identify how many schools are actually working on it, because many people speak about it, but doing it and implementing it is something which is very very important, because that is what that matters. We can say a lot of speeches, we can talk a lot about sustainability, or we can talk a lot of NEP, but actual work should happen in the schools. So that was the main aim when we thought about this and came up with this kind of a conclave. So if you see in this place, you will not see anyone selling their products, or there are no sponsors here. The entire event was all content based, so there was a lot of knowledge that was shared today. So we had people from higher education, we had people from early childhood education, we had people from Delhi, we had people from different parts of the country coming forward. So it was like a synergy. And as I say, C4 Synergy, my company C4 Synergy, it is all about collaboration. And I, being into this industry, had the privilege of working right from KG to PG. So that was something which connected me to this event. And bringing, if you see today's speakers as well, we had Swati Popadwats ma'am, who was early childhood, and at the same time we had directors from the university as well. So somewhere we are responsible for molding the future generation, and just by speaking it will not happen. And whatever takeaways we have here, I believe every school leader connected with it, and I'm sure they'll be going back and they'll be implementing it in their respective schools, because I generally see people taking their rewards and then moving out of that place. But here I notice that people are actually here till the end. They waited for the group photograph, they waited for the vote of thanks, and post that also networking was going on. So somewhere every school leader that came here, be it from Lonavala or Jalgaon, or we had people from coming from Karnataka, we had from Gujarat, Vapi, all different school leaders, but one single idea: how to implement this in their school. So this conclave is one of its kind by CED Foundation in association with C4 Synergy, and we look forward to having more such conclaves and conferences where school leaders are given an opportunity to come up and speak, share their views, share their ideas, take a lot of information with them and implement it in their schools.
Thank
My name is Vilas, Professor Vilas Padhe. I head the Department of Psychology at Elphinstone College, and I am holding the charge of Registrar of Dr. Homi Bhabha State University. It was wonderful to be invited here to witness this beautiful awards ceremony, where all principals, educators, teachers, they were gathered for all the wonderful hard work they've put in, especially regarding the SDGs, especially regarding issues like poverty, elevation, equity, equality. These are the things, the values that we need to imbibe in our younger generation, the young students. They are the future of this country, and these educators have been doing a wonderful job. What I like most about it was all principals, educators coming on the same platform and exchanging their views and thoughts very freely. So usually each one of us lives in his or her own cocoon, and it is very difficult for us to break through with that and then be open about what they are doing and be open to listening to what others are doing, the sharing and caring. That was one beauty of this event today. Everybody was very upfront and open about it, very candid, and that allowed a lot of flow of thought and information. And as we look forward with the advent of technology, the ever increasing, you could say, influence of technology in our life, the role of teachers is under a lot of pressure. Under these circumstances, it is even more important to focus on teachers and the SDGs and take forward this message to the youngsters as we look ahead. So wonderful. Thank you.
I'm Dr. Dawood Waeed. I run a micro school called Golden Sparrow on SDG lines. And this conference was one of the most honest, transparent, and truly SDG conference. I love the way the sessions were conducted, love the way the speakers came, and it's a joy to see somebody speak about the sustainable goals, which are so important. The awareness. Hats off to the organizers, and I hope it goes bigger and to more cities in India. Jai Hind. This was content laden. The sessions were curated very well, and one thing, the timing. It was absolutely impeccable at the time. I think we need more SDG awareness in every school. I hope we have more students coming in who takes the leadership role, and probably SDG needs to be spoken in every school and every conferences. Thank you so much.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ SDG ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ಹಾಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪೋಷಕರು, ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಸಂಚಾಲಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಯುತ BM ಸುಕುಮಾರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ, ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಆಡಳಿತ ಮಂಡಳಿಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಕತಯ್ಯ ಸರ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. It goes exclusively for the beautiful support and the immense encouragement of our correspondent, Shri BM Sukumar Shetty sir. Thank you.
Shri Rajshekhar, Principal, Tilak Public School, Nerul. It was a great privilege and honor to be present in this conclave because I believe we are continuous learners. Learning starts in the womb and it ends in the tomb. And so here we were learners once again with all the leaders leading us. So it was a very beautiful and joyful learning experience. We felt we were in the classroom once again with our mentors leading us. Yes, it was different because there were leaders and speakers from the KG to the UG and PG levels. So we got a very comprehensive idea of how the whole learning process can be a sustainable one, and we are supposed to make it sustainable because learning is not to be dealt segmented, it has to be dealt wholesome, and we believe in holistic education. I will surely try to implement all of these, or not many, at least a few at the initial stages, and then it's a long journey from here, and I promise myself that I will be a good leader going forward. Thank you.
Principal of Young Ladies High School, Fort, a school which has a legacy of 135 years of educating the female students. A conclave that I have attended today has opened my mind to say early childhood education is much, much more easier and very important for a person, which is the pillar of their life. Only when your pillar is strong, you go ahead in your life, and that is what one thing. The sustainable development that we had today goals, what we can teach a toddler becomes a pillar, becomes a head for the person when they are coming up in life. A takeaway for me is you can do it at a zero cost at any level of education, and you need to have only that interest and that potential to do it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I am Ms. Shirley Paul, the principal of SVKM Seth MA High School since the past 17 years. I've attended too many conclaves in my life, but what I realized at this particular conclave, it was a exceptionally different one in which we have received a number of inspirational ideas to be fulfilled in the classroom setup without any extra additional finance, nor do we require any extra human resource. This conclave has to be reaching great heights because every educator should be empowered to understand what sustainable development goal is all about. It is about a habit that has to be created in the students of the coming generation. Thank you. From this particular event, what I take is the most important factor that every child has to think like a social entrepreneur. You are what you become by your own ideas. So, as we teach in the educational system, we are creating entrepreneurs of social engineering for social engineering. Thank you.
बोलो सर इंट्रोडक्शन
Start?
स्टार्ट है
Achha, okay. Myself Jagjit Singh. I am director of Sapling School, Dharampur. I just came here for principal conclave. Excellent. It is an excellent attempt by the SDGC award competition here. What I think that the object of this, which we achieve by us, uh, that is concrete and there's some uh, uh, extra practice has been discussed here under the two panels also. And from here, I thought that the SDG development program. So we learn from these things from this conclave. Thank you very much.
थैंक यू सर